So in just a few hours, the FOMC meeting is going to begin. Let's go ahead and break down what's going on with the market as of right now. So overall, NASDAQ market has been pulling on back. And if you missed it, I'm really sorry to hear that. But during today's live trading session, we caught the entire NASDAQ market hitting its resistance, same pre-market resistance. It's a textbook setup, and then broke below EMA, broke below the moving average. We waited for confirmation, then we stepped on the gas, and boy, was it beautiful. Literally, I kept saying beautiful, beautiful. If you end up joining our LPP team, or if you are part of our LPP team, make sure you rewatch today's live session. It was a total 1 hour live session, and it's amazing, right? It was a very active session, which is quite surprising because the FOMC meeting hasn't even started yet. And this is just the before the main attraction, right? So overall, NASDAQ market sold off. It looks like we're testing the same support zone that we were testing yesterday. As of right now, I already have my limit order set in place to sell my last 10,000 shares of SQQQ. I'm up $6,000 on the day. Very grateful for it. And this is all before the FOMC meeting. I told you guys, right? I'm not afraid to take advantage of a day trade before the FOMC meeting, but I want to make sure that I don't have an open position when the FOMC meeting begins. I don't know if the market's going to continue to sell off. I don't know if the market's going to begin to run up, right? No one knows, right? We have a high expectation that the Federal Reserve is going to pause rate hikes. And there it goes. My order just got filled on SQQQ. We have a high expectation that the Federal Reserve is going to pause, but it doesn't mean that the market's going to react in a positive way. We know that days like this are very volatile. CPI data reports, FOMC meetings, Fed minutes are very volatile days. And it's how the market digests that data and then how it continues to trade. Today as a whole probably is not the best day to trade for a beginner. It's very volatile. You have to be very careful with your position size, your entries, your exits, and most importantly, your risk management. But again, I want to share this with you guys. According to the Fed Rate Monitor tool, I want to make sure that you guys understand that they are saying that there's a 98% probability that the Federal Reserve is going to pause rate hikes. And again, this is going to start today at 2 p.m. Eastern time for the FOMC meeting. I will be live streaming this for free on my YouTube channel. So if you don't want to miss out, drop a thumbs up, get this video to over 1,000 likes, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And today at 2 p.m. Eastern time, or if you're in Arizona like I am, I'm going to be going live 10 minutes before the FOMC meeting begins, and that is going to be at 10:50 a.m. Arizona time. I would love to see you there. You don't want to miss this one out, and we'll see. If the market continues to sell off, I'll short the market. If the market begins to go up, I'll go long with the market. The idea is I want to stay cash, so I'm open to opportunity instead of trying to predict what I think is going to happen and then hoping for the best, right? That's the last thing that I want to do, especially with these kind of market conditions. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Just wanted to quickly keep you guys up to date. I'm so excited to experience this FOMC meeting with you guys. I'll see you at 2 p.m. Eastern time. But again, you need to make sure that you subscribe. So drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in just a few hours. We'll see you then.